Today we're going to be talking about our newest Aqua topper. And today I'm going to just discuss some of the benefits and how to use it. Now watch how many times I swipe the brush over this. Are we counting? Did we lose count? Because I really went at it with this. And as you can see, she did not smudge at all. It looks great. And look. It's not changing color, it's not turning milky white, it's not cracking. The design looks so good.
A few moments later.
Now I'm gonna do a coat of P112 over this design because I just wanna make it a little bit more smoky. I think it would look really cute together. Yes, it looks so good. And as you can see, we had zero smudging. It's perfect, the design looks crisp and clear, so nice. So the Aqua topper is meant to kind of protect your art as you go and as you continue to build over the design. And it's not meant to be a replacement for the top coat. So I would still top coat all of these things, but this is just like a protective barrier.